Why do you need a pre-approval letter rather than just a pre-qualification letter? Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty. Asking for a pre-approval letter rather than a pre-qualifying letter can potentially save you thousands of dollars. We've guided numerous buyers along the way from making costly mistakes in their purchasing journey. A pre-qualification is merely a preliminary step in the home loan process. It involves discussing your financial situation with the loan officer, but nothing is verified. Conversely, an approval entails providing the lender with all the necessary documentation. This allows them to determine your approval status, recommend the best loan product for you and your situation, and provide clarity on the interest rate that you will pay. It's crucial to undergo the entire pre-approval process. The lender meticulously verifies your employment, reviews your taxes, and scrutinizes your bank statements. This ensures that you know precisely how much you can borrow and what your payments will be. Skipping this process could lose your initial deposit and any expenses that you've incurred for inspections and appraisals. Avoid this pitfall by reaching out to us, and we'll guide you through the safest, most strategic path to homeownership. Remember, having an agent represent you can save you thousands of dollars. We're here to safeguard your best interest. I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.